How's it going, everybody? Dave here from Let's Talk Crypto. Today I want to talk to you about Binance, how to use Binance for beginners. If you're new to the exchange and you've never been on Binance to make a purchase or to make a sale, or even to get money there from perhaps Coinbase or Quadriga or wherever you happen to purchase your Bitcoin or Ethereum, I'm going to show you some step-by-step instructions on how you're going to want to do that. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come over here to Binance, to the registration page. I will leave a referral link in the description below. Please use the referral ID when signing up if you appreciate the advice and if you found this video informative. By the way, we are a new channel here, so we appreciate it if you would like and subscribe. It goes a long way for us. So here we go. Once we've put in our email address, password, confirmed our password, and put in our referral ID, we're now going to register. Once we are registered, which only takes about 5 to 10 minutes, we're going to end up on a page like this. This is our home page right here. Up at the top, we have our exchange button. We have our funds. So we're going to start with funds. We're going to go to balances. Okay. So what we're going to do is, the first thing I want to do is I want to show you how you would send yourself some Bitcoin or Ethereum to yourself at this website, so you'll be able to spend it on whatever one of these cryptocurrency coins that you want to trade it into. So I'm going to go down to my Bitcoin and I'm going to go to deposit, and this is going to give me a Bitcoin address. Here is my Bitcoin address. I'm going to copy this address and I'm going to go over to whatever I have my funds on. If it's Coinbase or Quadriga, I'm going to go over there. I'm going to paste in that address and I'm going to push send. It's going to ask me for a few different verification steps, but once you do the verifications, it's now going to send. Now, you know you have your funds here when you go to your balances and you actually have a balance of something. For example, right here, I have 83 Tron, Syndicator, I have XRP. So here are my balances. Right now, I don't have any Bitcoin here. It's all spent, so I don't have a balance of Bitcoin. Once you have some Bitcoin, we're going to go to an exchange, and we're going to buy some Bitcoin. And this is how we're going to do it. Basically, we're going to make sure that we're on the BTC market. So right here, we're going to go to BTC, make sure we're on Bitcoin, and we're going to pull up one of the stocks. They're all right here. They're cryptocurrencies, my apology. So let's just say, for example, that we wanted, where is it? I just saw it. Okay, let's just say we want some Lisk, okay? First thing I'm going to show you here is you have a chart. Right now, the candles are representing 1 hour in time. Every candle represents 1 hour. So if we wanted to get in a little closer, maybe I bring it to 5 minutes, and that completely changes the picture. Now every one of these candles only represents a 5-minute period. Over here we have all the people who are trying to sell. We have all the people trying to buy right here. Our last price was $24,393 or $18.80. The high was $24,920. The low was $22,500. And here's the volume for the day. So we're going to go down, and there's two ways we could do it. We could do a market order. Market is just going to give us the market price that given second in time. So we're not going to do that. We would do a limit order, okay? Now, I don't have a lot of Bitcoin left in here, so I don't think I can buy anything. Let's see. If I put in 100%, yeah, I can't even get one. But if I were to try, I would hit the buy button. Now, of course, I don't have enough in there to buy it, but the order would show up right here. And it would say, instead of these that say sell, which I have up for sale right now, this one would say buy. And you would know that the order is filled because the order will no longer be here. And you can go up to your order history, and you can check your order history to see if it actually bought, purchased, sold. Here's all your history. So that's how you would go about buying one of the cryptocurrencies. Now again, you would use the same process if we wanted to sell it. Now, like for example, let's go to Ethereum. I have some Ethereum. We'll go to my syndicator. So my syndicator is already up for sale, but if I wanted to sell it, I would basically put in the price that I want to sell it for. I would say 100% or 50%, however many I wanted to sell. I could punch in the actual number. I would hit sell, and my order would show up right here, and I'll know that it's up for sale. And if it's close enough to the actual selling price, it would be in this order book right here. If it's not, it'll be way down the list and you won't see it. But that's the basics of how you would purchase your first cryptocurrencies on Binance. So again, you're going to want to send your funds from wherever you've purchased them in the first place, whether it's Coinbase or Quadriga or CoinSquare or Mogo, many different places where you can purchase it. You're going to want to send it over to Binance. So once you get it to Binance, we can buy all these other cryptocurrencies, Syndicator, Neo, Luna. There's so many here. So I hope that was informative for you. Please, people, like I said, we are a new channel here, so everybody could like and subscribe. It would go a long way. We will leave the link in the description for your Binance sign up, and you have a great day.